Welcome to Teach Yourself Something. Leos are known for their confidence, charisma, and love of attention. They tend to be bold, passionate, and driven individuals who enjoy the finer things in life. If you're considering dating a Leo, here are a few things to keep in mind. Leos are typically confident and self-assured, so they may not always respond well to criticism or negativity. Try to offer constructive feedback rather than criticism. Leos tend to be outgoing and enjoy being the center of attention, so it's important to give them space to shine and be themselves. Leos are often generous and giving, so they may enjoy spoiling their partners with gifts and gestures of affection. Leos can be passionate and intense, so it's important to communicate openly and honestly with them to ensure a healthy, fulfilling relationship. Leos are known for their strong sense of loyalty and commitment, so if you're dating a Leo, you can expect them to be a devoted and supportive partner. Leos are known for their strong sense of pride, so it's important to be mindful of their feelings and avoid doing anything that could be perceived as a slight or an insult. Leos tend to be independent and may need space and time to themselves, so it's important to respect their need for solitude. Leos are often creative and expressive, so they may appreciate a partner who is open to trying new things and exploring new experiences. Leos tend to be generous and may enjoy showering their partners with gifts and gestures of affection. Leos can be strong-willed and may sometimes have a hard time compromising, so it's important to be open to negotiation and finding mutually beneficial solutions to conflicts. Overall, Leos are confident, charismatic individuals who can bring a lot of energy and passion to a relationship. If you're open to a dynamic and exciting partnership, dating a Leo may be a great fit for you. Thanks for watching. We hope you have taught yourself something. Please like and subscribe for more ways to teach yourself something.